is indigenous food. Today we are preparing from Tumulong Baptist Church. This is called bamboo fruit. By bamboo, we are preparing the meat. It can be pork, either chicken or anything. So now to prepare with bamboo, this is bamboo first we have to take, and you put the ginger first inside the bamboo. Then you put onion little bit like this. Then this is again local spice or indigenous spice, you can call it. Very nice scent. Then you put some chili. This is a chili, local chili. Then all the items finished now, and this is chicken. This is one piece. You can put as much as you want. Then this is 2 piece, and this is 3, 4, 5, or 6. Any amount you can put. So now we'll have to burn it in the fire. Then after that we can taste it. And this is the most tasty food and very scientific, because this will be cooked by bamboo, and there is bamboo. Water will come from bamboo itself. We don't need to put any water, or we can put if we want some water, so that it will be cooked properly. This is water, boiled water, of course. We can put pure water also, but this is a bamboo water. You have to make some idea how much water will be required. So this is enough, I think. Now I have to put the leaf. This is a leaf of turmeric. This will bring more scent. We can put the bamboo leaf also, but normally we use this turmeric leaf. Now we'll put in the fire.
This is
the fire already prepared. So I put the bamboo here. Then we have to burn it. This is almost alright. So one side is okay. Now we have to turn it the other side. Then we have to wait for some time and put more fire. And this is already okay. And like this we have to burn. Then the meat will be up to here, this level, and water this level. Then we have to open this, and we can taste. So this is the local preparation by the indigenous of Tripura specially, and we often use at home and anywhere. And this is very traditional and very scientific, tasty, and everybody like this. Especially in Tripura, we use this kind of bamboo, and not only meat, anything else. We can put the leaf also, or we can use fish and anything else, not only meat. But normally today, it is a special day today, so therefore we are preparing this meat, especially chicken and pork. Thank you very much. This is the indigenous way of preparation of meat. This is pork, and we are roasting it, or we can also call it burning of meat. Not only pork, but chicken and fish also. We are preparing fish like this, and this is very tasty. And the indigenous people of Tripura, they use mostly this way, and they often eat at home also, but it is quite difficult to prepare it because we have to make fire, and firewood is required. But here today, being a special day, we are preparing it, and we will sell it this for among ourselves. And if we put in the fire, it will get burned. So that we put it this way and dry it, and it will take 10-15 minutes to get okay. And now we can directly put in the fire also, no problem. Here we can put it this way.
Oi.
And this is another way
Ai
of
thao lo tao no.
preparation for the indigenous people, and very tasty. So this is very smoky and fire. We need sufficient fire also. If we put too much fire also, it will get burnt. So this is the best way to prepare. A very typical way of preparing fish, small fish, by the indigenous people of Tripura, and one of the tastiest food we can say. And these are turmeric leaf, and this here it is a fire. Now we are preparing it, and it will get burned, and we have to turn it like this till it is sufficiently burned. Now we have to turn again like this. So after this, after keeping some time, the fish will look like this. Now it will be very tasty and very scientific, and people like it so much. Okay, this is the fish, small fish. Normally big fish we cannot prepare like this, but small fish we have to put here some salt, then chili, spice, anything we can put here. And we have to tie it like this with the turmeric leaf. We can use any leaf, but normally we use locally available, that is turmeric leaf. So in this way we prepare it, and this is very tasty, and if anybody tastes, they would like to buy it. So this is the way how we prepare it, and today being a special day, we prepared this. And this is for sale, of course, for today. Otherwise, we can test this. It's very nice and very delicious.
ফুফু চিকেন দেশি টক না